The Food Service Exchange presents.
Welcome to Hoshizaki America. We're committed to serving you, our customer, with products which bring convenience and comfort to your life. In this video, we will demonstrate cleaning procedures on our KM515 and 650 models.
We want to start by emptying the ice from the storage bin. Remove the front panel. Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen the screw at the bottom. Lift the front panel off. Once the front panel is removed, we want to place the control toggle switch to the off position. Next, we want to drain the water from the reservoir. Start by removing the base cover. We want to remove the water pump hose. Allow the water in the reservoir to drain into the bin. Next, we're going to reconnect the hose to the water pump. Remove the front insulation panel. Pour the cleaner directly into the reservoir. Reinstall the front insulation panel. Next, you're going to open the wash valve. Place the toggle switch to wash. After 30 minutes, place the toggle switch to the off position to drain the cleaner from the reservoir. Remove the hose from the pump. Allow the cleaner water solution to drain into the storage bin. After the reservoir is drained, reconnect the pump hose. Close the wash valve handle. Place the toggle switch in the ice position. Approximately 60 seconds. To the off position. Back to the ice position, approximately 60 seconds. To the off position. Open the wash valve. Place the toggle switch in the wash position. After 2 minutes, place the toggle switch to the off position, drain the reservoir, remove the pump hose, allow the cleaner to drain into the storage bin, reconnect the hose. Install the base cover. Close the wash valve handle. Toggle switch to the ice position. Reinstall the front panel. Rinse the storage bin. Dispose of the first batch of ice.
Hoshizaki America offers a variety of food service equipment, not only ice machines, but refrigerators and freezers, undercounters, prep tables, ware washers, display cases, and even products for your office or home. Visit our website at www.hoshizakiamerica.com for more product and sales information.